If you don't love me, don't soften the truth. You make decisions like I don't exist. That's the proof. I'd rather hear it straight without disguise. I'm already moving, already opening my eyes. You twist my words until they lose their shape. Use my own honesty to interrogate. Now every certainty I had feels thin, like I'm apologizing for breathing in. You make a mess and somehow it's on me. Say things so calmly I start to believe. He plants for doubts and let them grow, until I'm defending things I never wrote. I'm the one who keeps coming back to hold this. You're breaking me gently, never reckless. You look at me, tell me I'm all you see. Promise a future like it's guaranteed. I almost wish you'd make it obvious, 'cause if there were signs they could point to, with the damage out of sound, maybe then I wouldn't have to keep proving what you quietly tear down. If there were marks they could recognize, if the pain is somewhere to land, maybe then I wouldn't have to keep fighting a war you fight. Your hands only look clean. Here's to the years I doubted my knowing. Here's to the nights I felt something closing. Here's to the fear of saying it out loud and staying quiet to keep the peace around. I carried your name like it was fragile, protected your image, stay compliant. I stood beside you while I went thin. Why? Because if there were signs they could point to, if the damage had a sound, maybe then I wouldn't have to keep proving what you quietly tear down. If there were marks they could recognize, if the pain is somewhere to land, maybe then I wouldn't have to keep fighting a war you fight with your hands clean. Don't reach for me now, pause. Don't turn this back around. Don't make me doubt myself again. I know who I've been, I feel it before I can explain it. I sense it before it shows. And even when you make me smaller, I